Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm you have Otter AI credentials and host rights in Zoom so the transcript can join meetings. Once those are in place, install the Otter Chrome extension or add Otter Live Notes from the Zoom app marketplace, because this determines how Otter captures audio. Make sure to sign into Otter on the same device as Zoom and grant microphone and calendar permissions. This links meetings automatically, so Otter can start transcription at the right time. Once connected, go into Otter settings and authorize Zoom integration. This is the core connection that allows Otter to join as a Live Notes participant. Then configure automatic joining, enable speaker identification for clearer labeling, and choose the correct language and audio enhancements so transcription accuracy improves. After saving, run a brief test meeting. Speak clearly, check that Otter appears as a participant, and verify speaker tags. If labels or audio are off, tweak mic/source settings in Zoom. To finish, start transcription at the meeting's beginning or allow Otter to auto-join. When the meeting ends, export text, share the Otter link, and edit speaker tags and timestamps for a polished record. Make sure to save or download the transcript in your preferred format, since edits persist. If transcription does not start or quality is poor, first check microphone and app permissions, confirm Otter is authorized in Zoom, then reauthorize the integration and retry. This resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.